Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Pseudocode and Programming. Today I am going to teach you about arithmetic operators in pseudocode. So what are arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators are those operators or are those functions that are used to perform mathematical functions inside a computer, like arithmetic. So we can say that arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical functions in a pseudocode. So let's dive into the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down what I should make in the next video. So let's move on. So we have a few of the arithmetic operators or arithmetic operations that we perform in our daily life, which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Well, these are the basic operations and these are also being used in pseudocodes because these are the basis of any arithmetic functions that we perform. So these are the functions. So first I'm going to write down the symbols of all of them that we are going to be using in pseudocode specifically, not any programming language, and then I'm going to write down how we are going to write it in a sentence or in a coded line in pseudocode. So first off, we have addition. So like any other program, addition is a simple plus. So like any other operation, addition is just a simple plus. You can see over here that addition is a simple plus. Like any other programming language that we are going to write in, it will be in the same format. And so when we are going to write it down in pseudocode specifically, we are going to write it down. Like for example, if we are going to add two numbers, then we are going to write num, or we are assigning a new value. So we are going to write it like this, like num is equals to 1 plus 2. So this is how we are going to write it in pseudocode. Now moving on to the next one. So this is subtraction basically. So subtraction is the basically when we want a difference between two numbers, as we all know. I'm not going to teach basic math over here. So subtraction is basically a single dash as we have in math, and it will be in the same format as for addition. So all we can do is just copy this whole thing up like we have written it up over here, and then we are going to just paste it here. And the only difference being that is that we will have a minus sign in between. So next off we have multiplication. So what is multiplication? When we are going to multiply a number, we are basically adding it as many times as we want. So so for multiplication we have a simple cross in mathematics, but for this pseudocode we are going to have a star-X sign like this. And when we are writing down the numbers, we are going to simply come here and we are going to do it. For example, if we are changing the case, in this case we are doing it 5 multiplied by 2, it will be like this. Now moving on to exponential form. So exponential makes use of the same star-X over here, but one difference is that it will have two star-X like this. So for example, if we have this set of number and we want it 5 raised to the power 2, we are going to write it in this way. We are going to write it with 2 stars like this. Now comes mod. So most of the people tend to get confused in mod. Well, mod has the same format as I have written in the functions form. That is, if you're writing a pseudocode, you're going to write it in this same form over here. But the difference between mod and division is that mod is going to give the remainder. Like if I am going to divide 5 by 2 or 5 mod 2, Like for example 5 by 2, so it will be if I am writing 5 caps lock mod 2, so it will be equals to the remainder. So the remainder for this is 1. Multiplied by 2 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1, so it will be 1. Now moving on towards div. So division has also the same sign, but it's different from this normal division that we do. It is we are using the same sign, but the difference between mod and division, because most of the people tend to get confused over here, is that we are going to write it same format as mod, but the difference is we'll be writing div in between. And notice that both of them will be capital letters. So 5 divided by 2 will give us the quotient, that is what will be the number that we are going to minus and get the mod. It will be 2, right, because it's the quotient. So yeah, these were the arithmetic operators. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in another one. Allah Hafiz.